Probably the most rigorous standard look is the NADCAP certification, and in our case, scope for additive manufacturing. That is new this year. Previously, we were scoped under the welding methodology, but at this point, it has now gotten its own checklist. So it's very interesting. There's so many standards out there. Many companies follow whichever one that really speaks to them and what gets them to the end goal and the requirements they need. So whether you're under AWSC 20, whether you're following AMS 7003 or, no matter where you've chosen, or even NASA 6030, et cetera, NADCAP then comes in and looks at how are you holding that basically requirement that your customer has bestowed upon you? How are you holding that to the level that they require, to their specification, to their engineering requirements? And by looking at that, it's vetting your processes basically against all requirements, because the NADCAP look is how you hold your processes, not necessarily which standard you have chosen to lay out and go forth with.